Hello kids, most welcome in today's online maths class at home. My name is Nisha Mishra and today I will teach you addition. What I will teach you? Addition. But before that, I want to tell you the etiquette and the GK questions. So let's talk about etiquette of this week. So our first etiquette is get up early in the morning. You should always get up early in the morning. Our second etiquette is play and do exercise daily. You should always play and do exercise daily. Exercise keeps us healthy. So these are the etiquette of this week. I hope you all will follow these. Now let's do the revision of GK questions. So our first GK question is, what is the capital of India? I'll repeat my question. What is the capital of India? The capital of India is New Delhi. Very good. What is the capital of India? New Delhi. Our second GK question is, where is Red Fort? Yes, tell me answer. Where is Red Fort? Red Fort is in New Delhi. Very good. Red Fort is in New Delhi. Now let's do the revision of sight words. So look at here, which word is this? Was. Which word is this? Was. Next, has. Has. Which word is this? Has. Look at the next. You. You. Which word is this? You. Very good. Now, before starting our class, let's see your Hindi homework for the day. So, look at here. This is your Hindi homework for the day. You have to do this work in your notebook in the good writing. Now, let's move to our class, and today I will tell you dictation. So, be ready with your pencil and notebook. I am giving you 10 seconds to collect your notebook and pencil. So, your time starts now. I hope you all have notebook and pencil with you. So write the dictation on the top of your notebook and mention the date also. Done. Now write the Roman number of 4. Write. What is the Roman number of 4? Done. Roman number of 4. Next, write the Roman number of 7. Write the Roman number of 7. Write fast. What is the Roman number of 7? Done. Next is write the Roman number of 13. Write the Roman number of 13. Done. Next is write the Roman number of 19. Write fast. What is the Roman number of 19? Done. Roman number of 19. Next is write the Roman number of 10. Write the Roman number of 10. Done. Roman number of 10. Next, Roman number of 6. Write fast. What is the Roman number of 6? Done. Roman number of 6. Next, Roman number of 15. Write the Roman number of 15. Write fast. Roman number of 15. Done. Next is write the Roman number of 20. Write the Roman number of 20. Done. Roman number of 20. Now match your answer. Done. Now before starting our main topic, let's see your English homework for the day. So this is your English homework for the day. You have to do this work in your notebook in good writing. Now let's move to our main topic, which is addition without counting 2. Add without counting 2. So you have already learned this in the previous classes. Now we will do revision of this again. So let's solve some example of add without counting 2. So look at here. Here we have to add 2 plus 2. Means we have to add 2 in 2 means when we will add 2 plus 2, then what is the answer? So when we will add 2 in any number, then we will skip one number after that number, means we will skip one number after 2. So which number comes after 2? 3. So we will skip 3 and we will write the next number of 3. So what is the next number of 3? 4. Very good. So our answer is 4. 2 plus 2 equals to 4. Let's see another example. Here we have to add 6 plus 2, means we have to add 2 in 6. Then how we will count? Again we will skip one number after 6, that is 7, and we will write the next number of 7, which is, what is the next number of 7? 8. So our answer is 8. 6 plus 2 equals to 8. Very nice. Look at the next example. Here we have to add 8 plus 2. How we will add? What is the answer? Let's count and tell me fast. What is the answer? So we will again skip one number after 8, which is 9, and we'll write the next number of 9, which is 10. Very good. So our answer is 10. 8 plus 2 equals to 10. I hope you all have understood the process of add without counting 2. Look at one more example. Here we have to add 4 plus 2, means we have to add 2 in 4. So how we will add? What is the answer? 4 plus 2 equals to 6. Very nice. How? We have skipped one number after 4, which is 5, and we will write the next number of 5, which is, what is the next number of 5? 6. So 4 plus 2 equal to 6. Here we have to add 1 plus 2, means we have to add 2 in 1. Then what is the answer? 1 plus 2 equals to. So similarly we will skip here one number after 1, that is 2, and we will write the next number of 2, that is 3. So 1 plus 2 equals to 3. Very nice. Our answer is 3. So kids, I hope you all have enjoyed today's class. Now it's time to your homework. So this is your homework. You have to do this work in your notebook in the good writing. Now we will meet in the next video. So thank you so much. Be safe. Keep on learning. Bye bye kids.